Sir Steve, here's the 2,000 for Angel.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
And another 1,000 for her shopping trip.
Thank you, Sir Steve, for giving me a blessing. Thank you so much. But I can't go to shopping because of my son, Sir Steve.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
Ako ba?
1,000 for Shane, Sir Steve.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
1,000 for R.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
1,000 for Karen. 1,000 for Kyra. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, and for the money that you gave to me.